Our dish today is a very famous dish in India and the richest in spices worldwide. This healthy low-carb and low-sugar flavorful dish is a fusion of marinated chicken, fresh vegetables, and a lot of spices that will take you straight to the heart of India. It is called Chicken 65. Let's see what ingredients you need. Of course you need chicken, any part you like. You need cauliflower, some green peas. You also need some heat, and for me this is very important. So, some hot chili, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, some curry leaves, and some green spring onions for garnishing. Let's see what are the spices needed. Salt to taste, black pepper to taste, cinnamon powder, chili powder. This is optional and can be replaced with sweet paprika, garam masala, mustard seeds, coriander powder, anise seeds, a little white flour, 1 spoon, although I am against flour, but this makes it taste a little better. And it is only 1 spoon, and it will be distributed over the chicken pieces. You need 2 portions of cumin, which means 2 teaspoons of cumin, yogurt mixed with a little nutmeg powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and oil or ghee for cooking, and some water. Start with the chicken so that it marinates well. I open the chicken like this so that the seasoning gets into it all, and it is easier for frying and cooking. This reminds me of the cooking show I made in Brunei in 2017, because I cooked this dish in one of the episodes. We begin by preparing the marinade for the chicken. Garlic and ginger paste, yogurt, salt, black pepper. The chili powder, and as I said, it is optional. Garam masala. You can adjust these spices according to your taste. A little cinnamon. Add the flour and mix them well. We add water so the sauce becomes a little softer. To give it a little stronger color, use 2 or 3 drops of red food coloring liquid. Mix until it becomes one color. Now, start marinating the chicken. Marinate all the chicken well, inside and outside. Then cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 40 to 45 minutes, preferably an hour. Now let's chop the vegetables. I grew these green spring onions. I buy small shallots. I eat half of it, and the second half that contains the roots I plant. Cut the large onion like this first. It will be easier when cutting it into slices. And since everything is ready, let's start cooking. The first thing we will do is to boil the cauliflower. Do not boil the cauliflower for too long, because it will be cooked again, so that it is not mushy at the end, but a little crunchy. Take it out of the water and put it aside until we use it again. Put oil in the frying pan to fry the chicken. This is coconut oil, nothing to worry about. When the oil is hot, fry the chicken. Flip it over. Take them out of the oil, put it in a bowl and cover it. In another frying pan, add a little oil, about 2 tablespoons. We start with mustard seeds, then the anise seeds. Check if the temperature is high and reduce the fire if it is so. Then the chili, the remaining ginger garlic paste. Add the onions. Add the garam masala and the coriander powder. A sprinkle of cinnamon. Add as much salt as you want, depending on your taste. Of course, I use sea salt, Himalayan salt, or rock salt. Add the cauliflower. Now, add the turmeric powder. Sprinkle it until it covers the cauliflower and gives us the yellowish color. Other than the color, we want the taste and the health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric does not go without black or white pepper. This means that in order for the body to absorb the substances in turmeric, we must give it black pepper. If you see it dry like this, give some water. And then add the green peas. Mix them together well. Cover it and wait for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Sorry, I forgot the cumin, which is important in this dish. Check it and see if it is cooked. And I believe it's cooked. In this case, turn off the fire, cover it, and put it aside. In the same pan in which we fried the chicken, use a little of the oil in which we fried the chicken. Add some hot chili and curry leaves. And when you smell the aroma of the curry leaves, put the chicken on top of them. Transfer everything to the serving plate. Place the chicken on top of the cauliflower and garnish with the green onions. Now you have a filling, nutritious, and delicious Indian dish. Enjoy! I hope you benefited, liked, and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Ever felt overwhelmed while hunting for diabetic-friendly and weight loss recipes that are not just healthy but also delicious? You're not alone. It's a common struggle to find meals that cater to specific dietary needs, yet are still enjoyable and satisfying. The challenge of marrying health and taste is real, but it doesn't have to be daunting. Managing diabetes and weight gain doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Well, the search ends here. Welcome to our channel, Diabetics and Weight Management Food Recipes, which is dedicated to bringing you easy, tasty, and most importantly healthy recipes. Join us for nutritious diabetics tasty dishes, simple ingredient and easy to cook. Subscribe now for mouth-watering diabetic-friendly salads, soups, meals, and delectable desserts. We will upload at least 3 videos every week so you can feel the joy of healthy tasty dishes from around the world. Discover a world of culinary delights tailored to support your health goals without compromising taste. From hearty breakfast options to satisfying dinners and delectable desserts, our recipes are crafted with wholesome ingredients and mindful of the glycemic impact. Today we're diving into a simple low-carb salad recipe that's perfect for those managing diabetes and aiming for weight loss. This dish is not just nutritious, but also delicious, making it a perfect balance between health and taste. Are you ready to start? Let's dive in. Firstly, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need a handful of fresh spinach, 2 cloves of garlic, a juicy lemon, a ripe avocado, and a dash of olive oil. Now let's get cooking. Start by washing the spinach thoroughly. While it's draining, peel and mince the garlic. Then slice the lemon in half, and gently squeeze to extract the juice. Be sure to remove any seeds that sneak their way out. Next, slice the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Combine the spinach, garlic, lemon juice, and avocado in a bowl. Drizzle the olive oil over everything, then give it a good mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Let it sit for a couple of minutes to let the flavors meld together. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy meal ready to be enjoyed. Eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore. With this recipe, we've shown how delightful it can be. Remember, every bite is a step towards better health. Craving more? Subscribe to our channel for a wide range of diabetic-friendly and weight loss recipes. Together we can make healthy eating a delightful experience.